Hello everyone and welcome to Celebration Assembly. It's been another busy week here at Harrison with so much to celebrate. We want to say a huge special well done to our Year 5 children this week for putting on an excellent and informative science fair where the parents came into school this week to see all of the fantastic projects that you'd made. And to Y4L for being our first class to visit Bewley Farm this week where all of the staff commented on your fantastic attitude to learning. Well done to you all. Now let's take a look at who's made their way onto the leaves and leaderboards this week.
Nothing's going your way. Just remember that life needs working at, and you'll get there one day. Run your fastest, jump up high, reach up to the sky. Try your best, work your hardest, the prize is there for you. So try your best, work your hardest, you'll be a winner too. Try your best, work your hardest, make your dreams come true. Your best's the only best that you can do. Tired of coming last, can't run very fast, lots of things in your way. Taking part is what counts for search a lot, know you'll get there one day. Throw your furthest lift up high, it's easy